Hi everybody, it's Miss Ann from the Tomball Library. Welcome to another edition of Backyard Crafts. Today it's all about bubbles. I'm going to show you how to make some fun and easy bubble wands. I'm also going to give you a recipe to make your own bubble mixture. And at the end of this video is a link for you to access and make 2 bubble wands that are a little bit more challenging to make, but lots of fun. Let's see. Did I forget anything? Oh yeah, we're gonna blow some bubbles too. Lots of bubbles. Let's get started. Let's make this bubble wand. Take a chenille stem, or some people call it a pipe cleaner. Take one end, join it onto the other end, forming a circle. You want to twist it so that it stays secure. Once you do that, you're going to have a long stem part, and you can add some beads to it. That will keep your bubble wand from flopping over when you hold it up. So put the beads on. Miss Ann used 7 beads. You probably won't be able to use too many more than that because there just won't be enough room to string them all on. Now you can use beads of any size, any shape, any color, and you can put them on in any pattern that you want. Just have fun with it and do whatever you want. So once you get all of your beads on, then you will have a nice handle to hold your bubble wand with. I think we have one more bead. All right, and then when you're done with that, you want to take the end and bend it over and twist it. This will ensure that your beads don't fall off. And there you have a simple bubble wand. Let's make a triangle bubble wand. Take 3 pieces of straw cut to the same length, about 1.5 inches, and 1 chenille stem. Take a piece of your straw and thread it through to the middle. And then take your chenille stem and bend it so that it forms an angle. Thread on another straw, and finally your 3rd straw. Take the end of the chenille stem and bring it to meet the other part of the stem. Thread it through the middle so that it forms a triangle, and twist it so that it is secure. You'll have to work with it a little bit so that it forms a triangle and the stem is in the middle. And once you do that, you will have a triangle bubble wand that is all ready to use to blow some bubbles. For the square bubble wand, you'll need 4 pieces of straw. Take your chenille stem and thread one of the straws through and bring it down about 3/4 of the way. And then thread the rest of your straws on. It doesn't matter what color you use as long as they're all the same length, about 1.5 inches long. After you've got all 4 straws on, bring the chenille stem around to meet the other side and join it together and shape it into a square. Bring the end up through the bottom, wrap it and twist it so that it's secure and doesn't open up. Then you want to reshape it again so it's a square. And your bubble wand is ready. Let's make a cluster bubble wand. You'll need 10 straws. You can use all the same color or assorted colors like I have. Gather them all together and then tap them down so that the end is level. Then take some tape. I use cloth tape, but any tape will work. Cut about 2 inches of tape, and then you want to wrap it around your cluster of straws. Go in the middle, put your tape down, and then wrap it around, and you might have to work with a little bit to make sure that your straws are all together. And once you've done that, you have a cluster bubble wand ready to use. To make your own bubbles, you'll need 6 cups of water, 1 cup of dish soap, 1 tablespoon of glycerin, or a 1/4 cup of corn syrup. Once you have all of those ingredients, just follow these simple steps to make your own bubble mixture. By accessing this link, you can make 2 challenge wands, a pyramid and a cube. I wonder if they blow bubbles in those shapes. You'll have to make them to find out. Well, there's only one thing left to do, and that's blow bubbles. Thanks for joining me at Backyard Crafts. Bye, everybody.